All right, so I thought we would do an unboxing of this BOXY LUXE. This is my first BOXY LUXE. It's not my first BoxyCharm box, but it's my first BOXY LUXE box. So we're gonna open it up and first impressions, first like everything. Like I can't wait to see it. Like I do not look at these, you know, spoilers. I try not to even look to see what's going on. I'll just like, if I happen to catch it, I'll just like flip by because I really kind of don't want to know what's in the boxes each month. I kind of want it to be somewhat of a surprise. I know that's not always possible, but I did do a tutorial, first of all, on this. I'm going to call it my soft glam glitter look because I started out with it being really soft and natural and wearable, and then I did glitter bomb it up just a tiny bit. I used the Kylie brushes, which you can see the blush brush doubles as a hair stick. Like how cool is that? And this is the palette, by the way, which looks like this. I knew I had to do something with this red, so I went ahead and just did a double glitter cut crease. I did not use any falsies. All right, let's open up this box and see what we've got. Wow, okay, I'm going to move back here just a little bit to give myself just a little bit more room here. It's kind of exciting. It's like getting a Christmas present, like you really don't know what it is. Well, I don't. All right, this is how it's packaged, like this. I don't do a whole lot of these unboxings, so I'm not going to go too in-depth on all of the products because you guys can look those up. Okay, well, it looks like it tells you right here. You get this thing here. It says BoxyCharm right here. You guys can see that. And then on the back has what you get. Wow. Okay, so this is cosmetics. So this is, what is this? This is Clean, Clinical, Luxurious. It looks like it's a massage, face and body massage beauty roller. Let's see here. So I have no idea what this is. Wow. Okay, I'll figure out how this thing works and then I'll get back to you guys on that one, probably on the next video. All right, let's see what else have we got here. So this is Daily Concepts Your Hair Towel Wrap. That's actually usable, you guys, because with my long hair, I love to do oil treatments. I love to do olive oil treatments. I do sometimes coconut oil treatments. Yeah. And I have some JF Lazertique stuff that I have gotten at Neiman's a long time ago that I like to use in my hair, like deep carrot oil treatments. And of course I like my Kiehl's olive oil and fruit things. So yeah, this is definitely usable. All right, sorry for yakking. All right, let's move on. This is confetti, I think. Let's see, hold on here. This says, this is a Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. Oh, achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter featuring a mix of shades that have been pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Okay, let's take a look. Not that we all don't have enough highlighters. Ah. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, looks like this. Oh my. Okay. Looks very goldeny. All right, we're gonna have to play with that. All right, moving on here. Let's see what this is. This is the Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss from Too Faced. It says Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. Sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this high shine gloss. supposed to bring dimension. Let's see what color it is. A lot of times on these lippy things, I get these like crazy colors like red and just these obnoxious colors that I personally would not use. This one looks doable. Let's see here. Color looks like this. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Honestly, no complaints here. So far so good. Okay, let's see what else. This is the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Oh my God, this is so completely usable, you guys. I'm telling you, it has been a game changer for me in the foundation game because I now use oils. This is the organic jojoba oil, and then I also use the argan oil. I will switch, and I literally pat them into my skin prior to putting foundation, and it has been literally a total game changer. No more cakey foundation. I did do a video on that, you guys, but honestly, I don't know. I don't even have the link, but I do have that on my YouTube channel somewhere. All right, so let's take a look at this. This says anti-aging. When you're 57 like me, you want anything that says anti-aging. Like, who the heck wants to age and get older and have this mature, crepey, wrinkly skin? I'm telling you, life after 50 has... Now that I'm 57, almost 58, you would think I'm used to it, but I'm not. I still don't like it. I don't like anything about it. Okay, so this is, let's see, what have we got here? LMS. Okay, here it is. A luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Hello, at 57. Leaving the skin with a luminous glow. Okay. Okay, wow, so far, honestly, so far, everything in here has been amazing. Oh, I just hit my lip. Don't want to ruin my lip. How far are we? Oh, gosh, we're 5 minutes in. All right, I'm going to have to... Okay, let's take a look at the star of the show. This is the Storybook palette here. Wow, okay, let's see what we got here. This is the Storybooks Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose palette. All right, let's take a look. Open it up. Okay. Okay, everything is intact. Nothing's broke. Okay. All right. All right, okay, very interesting. I have another one. I have the Lorac Storybook one. See if I can find that. Where is my... All right, I'm not sure where it is, but I have a Lorac Storybook one that came with a brush and everything. I have no idea where it's at. Let's see. I could have sworn it was up here somewhere. Nope. Maybe it's down in this drawer here. Oh. Sorry, I can't find it. Too many palettes. All right, so that's this. And let's see, what else do we have in here? Okay, wait, we got one more thing. This is the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Okay, okay, so far, you guys, everything in here has been good. Oh wait, we got one more. Oh, this is literally like Christmas. This is the Fresh. Oh, I love this brand. This is like, I used to buy this brand all the time at Neiman's and Saks when I lived in Las Vegas. I love this brand. Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. Gently cleanses face and eyes. Okay, another usable product. Wow. Wow. All right. All right. All right, so far, whoops, all right, so far BOXY LUXE has redeemed itself because I'm telling you, some of these BOXY charm boxes, like, you're lucky if you use like one item. One. All right, everything in here. My nose is running, you guys. I'm sorry. All right, so far, let's see, what else? Is there anything else in here? Oh, one more goodie. Oh, one more goodie. All right. This is M. Greengrass. Fragrance is called Beach Hair. Inspired by Greece. Okay, I'm with it. This is, let's see, Mr. Greengrass. Let's see, what does this say here? This is Mr. Greengrass Dry Oil Spray Beach Hair. So I'm guessing this is for your hair. Fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that quickly penetrate, delivering superior moisture, leaving skin. Oh, well, I guess you could maybe use it for your skin and your hair. Maybe. Leaving skin soft and luminous without feeling greasy. Okay, I'm with it. I've had some hair oils before that have been like a dry oil type of a thing, and you spray it on your hair and it just leaves your hair really soft and smells amazing. So but you could also use that on your skin as well. So maybe that's kind of what this is. Kind of doubles. Yeah. All right. I'm with it. I think that's it now. I think that's it. That's the end of the box. Let's see. I think I got everything. Yep. Wow, this has been great, you guys. I love it. I am super happy. I can use everything in this box. And don't forget, if you guys want to see the tutorial on this eye look, don't forget and check that out. That is also posted on my YouTube channel. It will be soon. All right, that's it.